Hello, my name is Jonathan, and I'm a member of the scriptwriting team at Gemini Educational Systems. In this content update, I'm excited to talk about the addition of clips and our new kinesthetic pronunciation format to the Gemini library. Kinesthetic learning takes place when we process new information by engaging in physical activity. Our kinesthetic pronunciation clips incorporate kinesthetic learning by combining close-ups of speech with live-action generalizations of motor and vocal imitation. Each of these clips models speech for an individual sound, shows how that sound is produced in the context of the beginning of a word, and motivates attempts at expressive speech through video modeling for an imitation activity. At the beginning of each clip, a close-up over-enunciates and repeats a single sound, then speaks a full word beginning with that sound.
March.
This models how to shape the mouth during production of the sound on its own and in the context of pragmatic speech. After the close-up, a short animation generalizes the meaning of the word and hooks the viewer's attention. In the next scene, a live-action imitation generalization models an activity where students copy the sounds taught in the opening close-up and imitate an action related to the spoken word.
March.
Great marching.
These clips are great for encouraging expressive language and practicing articulation. Combining vocal imitation with physical movement makes speech practice playful instead of intimidating, and can be an effective technique for motivating your student to make more attempts at expressive speech. We encourage you to watch these videos with your student and model the desired outcome. Copy the sounds and actions you see on the screen and prompt your student to follow along.
Awesome job.
We've uploaded at least one kinesthetic pronunciation clip for each sound in the English alphabet. Use Gemini's video builder to incorporate these clips into custom videos. To build a new video with these clips, log in to your managing account. Select My Videos, then Build New Video, Complete Library Access. Kinesthetic pronunciation clips are located under Spoken Language, Articulation, Sounds. Find them by browsing this category or by searching for kinesthetic pronunciation.
A. Ape.
For questions about this content or other Gemini features, please schedule a free call with one of our product specialists. If you're having technical trouble or need help getting started, check out the articles in our knowledge base by following the link in the description of this video. If you're looking for clips that don't seem to exist on the site, send a content request to us at videos@gemini.org. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.